Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hey, what's up beautiful people out there? This is me, Chauhan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a very heavy biker photo manipulation just like Toni Mahfud. So before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video, and if you still have subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, loads, PNGs and every kind of photo editing stuff. So go and check it out that website, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's jump to the video. Open the photo or which you want to get edited. Now you can just click some kind of pose on the road. I prefer more to capture your photo on the road. So just capture this kind of pose anywhere over there, and let's select the photo by using the quick selection tool. Just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected, and just right click on it, select layer by copy option. So you can see here we have made a duplication of the layer. Now all you're gonna do is let's just add some background to the photograph. So here is our background. All you have to do is just drag it and drop over here. Go to the edit and select free transform tool, or directly press Ctrl T from the keyboard. Now adjust the perspective of the background in a perfect way, whichever you want. You can just keep it. So let's now just create a clipping mask on this icon. First of all, we will just adjust the background in a perfect perspective where that it won't look unreal. So that subject is looking just sitting just behind the bike. It should be looking like that. So just adjust the perspective in a perfect way. So here we have almost adjusted the perspective. Now the next thing is to crop the image. That's so we'll just select the crop tool and just select the 1:1 ratio and just crop the image so that we can put it on our Instagram profile. So here is our image. Now just press enter to crop. Now the next thing would be to erase this unwanted background. So let's just select create a clipping mask, layer mask on the background layer, and just select the brush tool and make sure to select the black color over there and just erase it from over here. Let's just delete these yellow strokes. So here you can see we have perfectly blended the background with the image. So the next thing would be to add the blur on the background. So let's just select the background layer and just go to the filter, select blur gallery, then select tilt shift option from there. And just keep this over here. and just hit OK. Don't blur too much. If you want to still adjust, and you can adjust the background. So here you can see we have perfectly just made a transformation of the image. Now just press again the crop tool. Now the next thing would be to darken the edges of over here. So let's just create a clipping mask. Right click on it and select create a clipping mask. Change the blending mode to multiply. Select the brush tool and just pick the black color over there. And just paint the black color over here. You can decrease some opacity if you want. Also we will do the same thing over here. Now let's just create a new layer above the this subject or the background layer, and let's just paint it with black color. Change the blending mode to multiply and just do the same thing over there. So here you can see that we have made a perfect black over there. And let's just create a black color over this portion also. Let's select the eraser tool and just delete some unwanted area from here. So here you can see we have created a perfect shadows over there, and just select the black color and just paint your hairs with the black color. Just decrease the opacity. Now it is looking way more natural and realistic. Here also we will just paint the hairs with the black color. So here you can see the before and after effect. Now the next thing would be to we will just adjust the color tone of the layer. So just to create a level mask, first of all we'll duplicate this layer and just go to the levels and just click on the below icon. Move the slider from right to left. And just do the same thing over here, just duplicate this layer. First of all, we'll just merge both the layers. So create a clipping mask on it. Now it is looking actually very perfect and realistic. Let's adjust the tone of the background. So press Ctrl U on the image, click on the hand icon and just select the red color. Or let's just keep it as it is. Now the next thing would be to merge all the layers. First of all, we'll give the loots to the photograph. So go to the color lookup and let's select the loot file from here. Make sure to give black and gold loots. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Again, let's just crop the image and then just go to the camera filter. Now let's just go to the FX tab and let's add the vignette on the image. So here you can add just the feathers. Here we will just increase the contrast if you want to increase. Decrease the highlights. And decrease the whiteness from the image. You can always play with these colors anytime. Let's increase the clarity to around 15 plus 15 or plus 12, whatever it is. Now just hit the OK button from there. Now let's select the hue and saturation and just click on the red color. Move the slider to allow the yellowish color a little bit to +2 and just decrease the opacity and decrease some more kind of lightness from there. So here you can see it is really looking very gold skin, just like Toni Mahfud. So just merge both the layers and that's it. So here you can see we have perfectly created the photograph just like Toni Mahfud. So here you can see the before and after effect. It's really looking very original and realistic. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed then just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still have subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get notified whenever I post new video. And don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.